Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the Breast Cancer Support and Healing series. If you've been told you need chemotherapy, I know exactly how frightening that moment can feel. I remember hearing the word chemotherapy and immediately imagining the worst. But here is what I want you to know. Chemotherapy is not your identity, and it does not mean you have to simply suffer through it. There are many things you can do to support your body and mind throughout treatment, and today I will share my top 3. First one, prepare your body before treatment starts. Many women wait until side effects appear before thinking about nutrition. I would encourage you to prepare earlier. Focus on nourishing your body with foods naturally rich in vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. You can think about colorful vegetables and fruits, dark leafy greens, legumes and beans, nuts and seeds, herbs and spices, high-quality protein sources. The goal is not perfection. The goal is to give your body the building blocks it needs. Try to get as many vitamins and minerals as possible from whole food first, because food is not just calories. Food provides the vitamins, the minerals, antioxidants, fiber, phytonutrients, and compounds that help support your immune system and overall health. And whilst food doesn't replace treatment, it can help support your body throughout treatment and recovery. If possible, seek guidance from someone experienced in oncology nutrition or lifestyle oncology, because your nutritional needs during cancer treatment can be very different from general healthy eating advice. Preparing your body before treatment is one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself. The second one is to prepare your mind too. Chemotherapy affects more than your body. It affects your emotions, your confidence, your sense of control, your identity, and this is why emotional support matters. So I encourage you to learn relaxation techniques, to practice meditation or breath work, journal your fears. Ask yourself, how can I make myself feel better? How can I still feel more attractive as a woman? And connect with women who have been through treatment and are thriving today. Please don't only consume frightening stories online. There are thousands of women living beautiful, healthy and meaningful lives after chemo. Seek stories of hope. The third one is ask yourself, what can I do to help my body recover? Now the question changed everything for me, because chemotherapy is one part of the journey, but recovery begins alongside treatment. Think about sleep, movement, gut health, emotional well-being, reducing stress, creating joy where possible. The small actions matter, and they all add up. So the wisdom for this episode is that the chemotherapy is something you go through. It is not who you are. And whilst treatment may challenge you, it may also reveal a strength you never knew you had. Now your action for this week is to create your chemotherapy support plan and write down what will nourish my body, what will calm my mind, what is in my support circle, who is in my support circle, and what do I need help with. You do not need to figure this out alone. And if you would like personalized support before, during, or after treatment, as a transformational breast cancer coach and lifestyle oncology practitioner, I help women support their body, mind, and emotional well-being throughout diagnosis and treatment. You can start the series, and you will find the link in captions, or you can explore my online program from the comfort of your home, or book your first 60 to 9 minutes coaching and healing sessions. With lot of love and healing, Veronica.